Welcome to our comprehensive guide on integrating access control and CCTV systems within a building management system, or BMS. In today's world, building security is more critical than ever, and combining these technologies creates a smarter, safer environment. In this video, we'll explore how access control and CCTV work together in a BMS, the key components involved, real-world use cases, and best practices. Whether you're a facility manager, security professional, or just curious about smart buildings, this series will give you a clear understanding of how modern security systems are evolving. Let's begin our journey into the world of integrated building security. Integrating access control and CCTV into a BMS isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a unified, intelligent security platform. By centralizing monitoring and automating responses, buildings can react faster to incidents, reduce manual errors, and provide a safer environment for occupants. Imagine a scenario where unauthorized access triggers an immediate camera feed to security, or where occupancy data helps optimize building operations. These integrations also support compliance and auditing, making it easier to generate reports and maintain records. In the next scenes, we'll break down the objectives and benefits of this integration in detail. The main objectives of integrating access control and CCTV with BMS are clear. Centralize all security and automation functions onto a single platform, automate responses to security events, and provide visual verification through linked camera feeds. This integration also allows for real-time monitoring of occupancy, door status, and user activity, while generating comprehensive logs and alerts for audits. By achieving these goals, organizations can ensure both safety and operational efficiency, reducing risks and improving the overall building experience for everyone inside. Let's take a closer look at the core components of a modern access control system. At the heart is the access control panel, which acts as the system's brain, connecting to card readers or biometric devices at each entry point. These readers identify users via ID cards, fingerprints, or facial recognition. Magnetic or strike locks secure the doors, while door position sensors detect if a door is open or closed. Exit buttons allow authorized people to leave, and access management software is used to configure users, zones, and time restrictions. Each component works together to ensure only authorized individuals can enter specific areas, keeping your building secure. A robust CCTV system is essential for real-time surveillance and incident verification. The main components include IP or analog cameras that capture video, DVRs or NVRs for recording and storing footage, and a video management system, VMS, for viewing and managing video feeds. Motion detectors can trigger alerts on unusual movement, while PTZ controllers allow operators to pan, tilt, and zoom cameras for better coverage. Together, these elements provide comprehensive visual monitoring, supporting both security operations and investigations when incidents occur. How do these systems communicate with the BMS? Integration is achieved using industry-standard protocols and APIs. Access control systems often use BACnet, IP, Modbus, OPC, or REST APIs to share door status, user events, and commands with the BMS. CCTV systems typically integrate via ONVIF, RTSP streams, HTTP APIs, or SNMP, enabling live video feeds and event-triggered snapshots. These methods ensure seamless data exchange, allowing the BMS to coordinate security actions and automate building responses based on real-time events. Let's see integration in action. Imagine a fire alarm is triggered in your building. Instantly, the BMS unlocks emergency exits for safe evacuation, sends live video feeds from affected zones to the security desk, and starts recording from the nearest cameras. Simultaneously, an alarm notification is sent to the central GUI and mobile devices. This coordinated response not only ensures safety, but also provides valuable data for post-incident analysis. Such automation is only possible when access control, CCTV, and BMS work together seamlessly. Access control systems offer a range of powerful use cases. For example, time-based access allows entry only during business hours, while zone-based control limits access to sensitive areas like server rooms. Anti-passback logic prevents misuse of access cards by enforcing entry-exit sequences. Integration with HVAC systems can adjust temperature or lighting when a user badge is scanned and deactivate local systems when a zone is unoccupied. These features not only enhance security but also improve energy efficiency and user comfort throughout the building. CCTV systems are more than just cameras on the wall. Motion-triggered recording saves storage and ensures key incidents are captured. Video verification of alarms helps distinguish real threats from false positives. Visual monitoring of critical areas like data centers, lobbies, and gates enhances situational awareness. Advanced features like facial recognition automate identity checks, while parking garage monitoring can combine license plate recognition with access control for seamless vehicle entry. These use cases demonstrate the versatility and value of modern CCTV systems. A well-designed BMS interface brings all security data together. Floor plan graphics show door status and camera views for each zone, while access logs can be filtered by user, date, or time. The GUI also displays alarms for unauthorized access, doors left open, or communication loss. By providing a clear, real-time overview, the BMS GUI empowers operators to respond quickly and effectively to any situation, making building management both efficient and secure. Data logging is a crucial part of any integrated security system. Entry and exit logs by user or zone, alarm logs with timestamps, and video playback linked to door access events all contribute to a comprehensive audit trail. Monthly reports can be generated for HR or compliance teams, ensuring that all security events are documented and easily accessible. This level of detail not only supports investigations but also helps organizations meet regulatory requirements and improve overall accountability. To get the most from your integrated BMS, follow these best practices. Ensure time synchronization between BMS and CCTV NVR systems, use encrypted protocols for sensitive data, and implement role-based access control. Regularly test door fail-safes and camera coverage, and use redundant power supplies for critical components. By adhering to these guidelines, you'll maximize system reliability, security, and compliance, creating a safer and more efficient building environment for everyone. In summary, integrating access control and CCTV with your BMS adds a powerful layer of security, automation, and efficiency. It enables a single operator or system to monitor and respond to a wide range of building events, ensuring safety, accountability, and operational control. As technology continues to advance, these integrations will only become more seamless and intelligent, paving the way for smarter, safer buildings everywhere. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of building management and security.